So what's going on here? What part of homesteading is this? We could be making bread, or maybe it's pasta. Actually, what we've done here is eliminated dog treats from our shopping list. Dogs love treats, and people love giving their dog treats, but they're expensive, and they're made in industrial ways and with long-term preservatives that we don't always want to eat or put into our pets. Here's some of the dough rolled out on a pan, waiting to go into the oven. In the oven. Here we go. It's out of the oven. It's out of the pan. And we're now doing this very technical process here of turning this into individual dog treats. We take our pizza wheel and we use it to cut it up. We all know someone like a pizza wheel. All edge and no point. We have some high value treats here. Hermes.